Assalamualaikum. 안녕하세요. Hello. Yogi Oshin Gosul Wanyung Hamnida. Welcome here. Chonin Usman Ibnida. I'm Usman. Chonin Yag Saib Nida. I'm pharmacist. Chonin Pakistan Eso Wasib Nida. I'm from Pakistan. Arumdan Naraib Nida. It is a beautiful country. Nongop Guggaim Nida. It is an agricultural country. Puron Naraib Nida. Green country. Gurumedu Pulkahago Chonin Honorul Payogo Itsumnida. Nevertheless, I am learning languages. Chonin Hangugurul Payogo Itsumnida. I am learning Korean language. Chalchin Nashunayo, how are you? Gongang Hashigil Parabnida. Wishing a good health for you. This is my day 19 of Korean language speaking challenge, and in this day I have an ayah from Surah Qaf, Surah number 50, ayat number 10. It is Nopon Chungron Ame Churong Churong Gyopchige Yul Merul Jushio. It means giving abundant and overlapping fruits on the tall palm trees और ऊंचे लंबे जो खजूरों के दरख्त हैं जिनके खोशे तहबते हैं, ये इस आयत का मफहूम है. इन दिस आया इन कोरियन लैंग्वेज Nupon means tall, high, Chungron Namu means palm tree, A means on, at, Churong Churong means abundant, hanging abundantly. So this was a try to speak in Korean language. Now there is a letter that we may remember through mnemonics. Look at this letter. It is a Korean letter, and it is just like the English letter E. Now remember the word eat, E-A-T, that is starting from E and ending at T. So we may pronounce this Korean letter as T. Whenever it occurs in a word in Korean sentence, you have to pronounce it as T. So this was from my side on this day. Kamsamnida. Thank you. 안녕히 Goodbye. Chilgon Shigan Dasyo. Have a nice time. I may forget something. Najung Ebayo. See you later. Jazakumullah khair.